expanding.
These are the driving forces that move us forward, backed by the values we uphold. Sadyang pinag-usay, always going beyond through our commitment to providing products and services that surpass our community's expectations. Malasakit, by fostering a workplace culture that empathizes with employee needs, we remain sincerely committed to the well-being of all stakeholders, treating the company as our own. Resilience, thriving in the face of challenges by encouraging proactive problem solving, learning from setbacks, and continuously improving towards innovation and evolution. Integrity, prioritizing honesty, transparency, and ethical conduct to build trust and long-term relationships, operating with consistency, reliability, and accountability. Empowerment, trusting our people to make decisions, supporting their growth, and valuing inclusivity and communication, all while taking pride in our work. Leading by example, cultivating leaders who guide with vision, integrity, accountability, and a commitment to the well-being and success of our people and our businesses.
And Arieta Romel.
Okay yung 10,000 ate.
For our fishing group, we have Econar Delordino.
We have Blanco Antonio Paulo,
Federizo Jenner.
Amentillo Rich,
De La Torre Christine. And also sir, Mike, yung mga awardees.
So, sandaan 200? 100 lang. Yeah.
Express naman natin yung appreciation and gratitude natin sa mga services.
Meron ko na lang 1 kilo, 200. Walang tinginan, walang tinginan.
200.
200, biting na lang.
These are the awards of 15 years in service.
15 years of service. Also,
Dito pa rin kami sa puso nyo nakatira. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang ngiti. Marami pang mga nangyaring di nakasya sa kanta. Dahil tumigil ang mundo, nalungkot ang isa't
sige, konti lang to, Sir Mike. So, we have Taha Lloyd.
Iyak ako.
Dito pa rin kami, sa tama't pagkakamali. Nandito pa rin kami sa puso nyo nakatira. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang ngiti.
Behalf of the management, especially our board of directors. Kagaya ng nasabi ng ating mga kasama dito sa stage, tayo ay nandito para ibahagi ang ating mga plano para sa 2025. Andito rin tayo para magpasalamat sa naging kontribusyon ng bawat isa sa inyo sa ating success in 2024. Ang sabi nga ni Nikki kanina, tayo ay nandito upang mapag-usapan ng ating shared vision, shared goals para sa ating minamahal na proyekto. Bawat isa sa atin, kagaya ng sinabi naman ni AJ, ay para kasama sa best team. You are the best team. We are the best team under Fabel United. So palakpakan nyo ang sarili natin. So natutuwa ako na ipresenta ang ating journey, na magiging journey, this 2025. So I would like to call on the representatives for...
Good morning!
Good morning!
Okay na, nakuha ko natin. So, nakaka-encourage marinig ang ating mga unang presenters. Tama ba?
Yes.
So, let's again give a round of applause to the presenters and of course, sa sarili natin as Fabelians for making all these things happen. So, for Fabel Food Group, I'm here behind us, the Group Vice President for Fabel Food Group. I'm glad to present to you our 2025 plans and programs. But before diving into our 2025 programs, This is to highlight and honor the men and women of Rebel Food Group for ending strong last 2024 with a significant growth versus 23 on both our top lines and bottom lines, ending conservatively with a volume growth of 22%. Palakpakan naman natin yan. And a net profit growth of 90%. Palakpakan natin. Palakpakan sa probinsya natin yan. Doubling last year's performance. So great job, Team FFG. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga GMs. From the FMC, Carlos Soto. From AFC, Franza Suban. From Westpac, Rayson Lero. And to our MVP ba? Most important, improved player, Paulo Valera.
Yay!
Paulo. And of course, to our President, Boss FTB. Great job, Boss. Now, for 2025, our main objective still remains to achieve sustainable growth through the right management and investment of the executions of the 6 P's of marketing, with resilience as our cornerstone towards success. With this in mind, our goal is by 2029, 5 years from now, is to double, triple, whatever you can imagine, what FFG is. Group's goal is, of course, to serve community around the world. So our main strategies are categorized into 4 parts. We grow, we innovate, we save and invest, and we believe. So first, we will grow horizontally by opening new areas and territories in Visayas and Mindanao. Second, we will review current partnerships and make hard decisions. Okay. We will grow, number 3, we will grow vertically by increasing volume per outlet. And we will develop and give focus on thriving channels like the hotels and restos, and of course, exports. What about the exports? Disclaiming. Okay. Then lastly, we will grow our people's skills and talents with trainings, and of course, the pilot implementation of HR, of the new annual performance appraisal program to the management team. Ano natin yan? Then second, we will innovate. We will innovate by releasing new exciting products and categories. We will intentionally build new and long-term relationships on our customers and suppliers. We will innovate new business models and route-to-market models. And we will also relaunch Prabel Marketplace. Diba? And in tandem with Prabelengke, of course. And lastly, we will save and we will invest. We will invest on a new manufacturing plan for FMC. Palapan natin. Which allow us to save costs by increasing productivity and efficiency with our existing products, and at the same time, enter new categories, and that will help us get new customers locally and abroad. So number 2, with saving costs, we will motivate and beef up sales and logistics structures that will help us sell and deliver our growing portfolio. We will ensure stocks availability to cater our container selling projects and reach out to the islands of the Philippines. We will invest on the state-of-the-art sales force automation system used by the big multinationals. Lastly, invest in new categories, the strategic partnerships that will catapult MFG to 1,000%. Great plans, tama ba? But as what our beloved President was saying, always say, plans are good, but we have to work hard for it. The one who will win is the one who's hungry and who wants more. So for the leaders, this 2020 positivity, not negativity. Be a part of the solution, not the problem. Be a winner, not a whiner. Promote peace and not war. Spread love, not hate. Focus on unity, not conflicts. In line to our group vice presidents, his message to succeed this 2025. Here's to leave you with a great mindset. Any great plans, great programs, great ideas, it's hard to get it right the first time. Tama or tama? It's hard to get it right all the time. Tama or tama? But as rebellions, we will always try. Tama or tama? We will fail, yes, but we will learn. Tama or tama? Tama. With our 6 core values, malasakit, resilience, sadyang pinahusay, empowerment, integrity, and lead by example, then we will do our best. Bakit? Why? Because the best is yet to come. tapakin nyo yung kaliwat kanan nyo. Sabihin nyo, sabay-sabay, the best is yet to come. Sige, 1, 2, 3, sabay. The best is yet to come. Again, congratulations to everyone and wishing you and your loved ones good health, love, peace, and happiness this 2025. Rara? May Rara ka? Rara daw. Nako, may request si Ma'am Kay. Rara daw. Let's all stand up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, start up!
Finish strong! Woo-ha!
Thank you, Kirby.
When Francis and Delia T-Bell purchased a single fishing boat, laying the foundation for what Frabel is today. Over time, with much perseverance and hard work, Frabel's founders gradually expanded its operations, investing in more boats, people, modernizing its fishing techniques, and exploring new opportunities. Today, Frabel maintains one of the largest fishing fleets in the world, with more than 100 vessels traversing the Western and Central Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Year on year for Frabel, Frabel consistently ranks among the top 3 fishing companies globally. As the business grew, so did the dream of building a lasting legacy. To become a trusted name in the industry, known for dependably delivering quality, affordable seafood in both domestic and international markets. By embracing innovation and leveraging technology, Frabel aims to enhance efficiency and productivity while maintaining high standards of quality and sustainability. To guarantee that we reliably deliver products that meet the expectations of our customers, Frabel immediately freezes its catch on board its vessels to preserve its natural flavors, nutrients, and texture. This ensures our customers receive products that are as fresh as possible, even throughout transportation and storage. Frabel's expertise in ensuring product quality and freshness has led us to venture into complementary businesses. Frabel's full-service cold storage facilities focus on maintaining optimal conditions to ensure the freshness, availability, and safety of perishable goods throughout the supply chain. These are strategically positioned near major ports and highways in the greater metropolitan area and key provinces across the Philippines. Frabel serves a wide array of clients, including food manufacturers, processors, traders, and restaurants, safeguarding a diverse food supply. Frabel took the opportunity to expand into an area we know well, ships. To support our fishing operations, Frabel invested in a shipyard to oversee the efficient repair and maintenance of our vessels. This also ensures that repairs are carried out to the company standards, resulting in safer and more reliable operations at sea. Over the years, as Frabel's expertise in ship repair and shipbuilding grew, so too has our commitment to serving both local and international maritime enterprises and private individuals. Our comprehensive services can accommodate a diverse array of ship types, with a capacity to dry dock vessels of up to 5,000 tons. Beyond ship repair, Frabel has earned the trust to construct tankers and cargo vessels, underscoring the quality of our craftsmanship.